Thank you. For my Macarena.
Yeah. Yeah, no, you're welcome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What are you doing? I was a goddamn Boy Scout, Pudge. So I'm always prepared. What the hell is that? It's my fox hat. Why are you wearing your fox hat? Because no one can catch the motherfucking fox. Light it. Now, run!
Mr. Chase! Miss Horbert, I'm coming in.
What the hell?
Stop! I will call the police!
He's bluffing. He's scared of bad publicity.
Done! It is a literary masterpiece, forgive my bragging, a sympathetic portrait of living with irritable bowel syndrome.
Fox is not a fan of the swan. Come on! Run, Pudge! Run for your life!